Good morning, Jake.
Good morning, Alex.
How are you feeling today?
I'm not bad. Not bad.
All right, great. And how about everybody at home? Doing well in your studying, I hope?
They can't answer us.
Oh, they're answering. So what are we going to talk about today, Jake?
Today, we'll talk about prepositions, which means in, on, or at.
All right. Well, let's start by explaining what prepositions are.
Sure. We use prepositions to explain the where and when in a sentence.
We use the same words for both?
Absolutely. But we can split them into two categories, space and time. So today, let's start with time.
Time. Sorry, I like to be a bit dramatic. All right. There are specific ways to use each of these prepositions. So we'll go from the most general to the most specific.
The most general word is in, which we use for months and years.
For example, the coronavirus was first reported in 2019.
Yeah, don't remind me.
Sorry, Jake.
Why not something more cheerful like Christmas is in December?
All right. Halloween is in October.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Great. We also use it for general parts of the days. For example, in the morning or in the afternoon.
Right, but we usually say at night for some reason.
That's a good point, Jake, yeah. Well, don't get them confused, okay? The next word is on.
Right. On is used for days and dates. For example, my birthday is on Saturday, October 29th this year.
Oh, nice. Saturday, on the weekend.
Yeah, but I have to work.
Oh, that's right. Well, at least you can relax on Friday. At is used to talk about times. So I might say, I'll meet you at 12 o'clock.
Sure, or I usually go to bed at 11.
11 o'clock, Jake? I don't believe that. Don't forget that at is also used for words like at night or at noon.
Yep. So, just to sum everything up, in is used for years and months, as well as morning and afternoon. On is used for days, and at is used for times.
Well, it seems pretty straightforward, but there is one more thing to remember.
There always is.
When we have a day, a month, or a year together, we usually use the most specific word.
So, for example, if we have a phrase like December 31st, we should say on December 31st because there's a day included, so we should use the most specific preposition.
Good to remember. So we shouldn't say in December 31st.
Yeah, that's no good.
Okay, great. So how about some practice questions?
Sounds good to me. So, same as usual, just choose the right word to fill in the blank, and you can check your answers using the card at the end of the video.
Great, let's begin.
Question number 1. He was born 1923.
Question 2. Let's go to the park. 2 o'clock.
Question 3. Lunch begins exactly noon.
Question 4. I saw him Monday.
Question 5. I have to wake up early the morning Saturdays.
Question 6. We begin school again September 1st.
Question 7. Her birthday is January.
Question 8. The American Civil War began April 12th, 1861.
Question 9. Let's meet night, September, Monday the 26th.
That's very specific.
You know, you've got to practice.
Okay, great. Alrighty, well, thank you very much for that very difficult quiz, Jake.
Yeah, well, it's a very good thing to remember for your tests and quizzes, and of course for speaking every day.
Alright, well, great. So, thank you very much for watching, and please like and subscribe if you want to see more of our videos.
Yeah, and join us next time for some more coffee in English.
Alright, see you then.